Alright, y'all, we're going to do a video of a crawdad and Maxie. Look, there's Maxie. There's a crawdad. There he is, Max. Right there.
Right there.
Right there, Max. Right there. Right there. Right there, Max. Oh my God. It's biting him. It's biting him, y'all. Get that crawdad. Get that crawdad. It pinched him.
Yeah, I pinched him. He jumped.
Look at that crawdad. Right there, Maxie. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Oh my goodness. Get him, Max. Get him, get him. Get him, Max.
They got one pinch done.
It did, didn't it?
He won't puff of it now.
There we go, Max. Uh-oh. He's chewing him up. He took off with him. Oh my goodness. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Get him. Get him, Maxie. Get him, chew him up. Yeah. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Get him.
He's right here now.
Get him, Max. Get that. Get that. Get that. Arr, 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 arr. You're a good boy, Max. You're a good doggy. Get him, Max. Yeah, you get that damn thing. Yeah, chew him up. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. Yeah, you get him. Arr, get that crawdad. Get that crawdad, Max. Get that crawdad. Yeah, there you go. You got his pincer off. Good job. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. There you go. Yeah, get him, Max.
It ain't gonna bite you no more.
Yeah, you done ripped off his pincers. Yeah. Good boy. You got some good food, didn't you? It's going on my YouTube. Maxie's a good boy. He ate every bit of it, bro. He got all the juice out.
There's one there, Max.
Right there. Get it, Max. Get it, Max. Arr, 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 arr.
That's the first time I've ever seen him eat a crawdad.
That's cool.
That first pinch got him, though.
He did, too. There you go, Max. Get him. There he goes. He chewed him up, dude. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
That's the first time I seen him eat a crawdad.